Hello, and this is Marcelo Stokes with your. Here's a little stormy update I want to show you. Just a couple of interesting things developing I want to talk to you about. Let's start right now. Here's the GFS model. This is valid as we get into Friday. This is obviously today. This is the pattern's gonna begin to set up in an interesting way. I want to talk to you about. Right now, here's the piece of energy right now that's bringing the shower and thunderstorms right now to parts of the Carolinas right now. This continues to move to the east. After this moves through, the pattern will begin to shift. This is our next system moving in right now. Now, interesting, this is actually moving not the typical pattern when it moves very far to the southeast and brings rain to parts of the southeast. This is actually going to move farther south and continue to actually dive off to the north. So that's the pattern. It's going to be moving from southeast and then curving up to the north, and then looks like it's going to curve off to the northeast. Looks like a ridge is actually going to develop across parts of the south, which is actually going to exhibit into some possibly record warm temperatures, widespread 90s, and even can't rule out maybe even potential for some triple digits across that area. Here's another look at the GFS model, showing once again, here it is right here. You can see there's the pattern right there, the showers around the area, parts of the Rockies and parts of the Pacific Northwest. Once again, moving on to the northwest, you see dry air in parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee. Dry air prohibits, and then I see some extremely dry air in parts of central Texas. So you can pretty much see the pattern has changed by then. Here's the moist air to the north, the dry air to the south. So the pattern has awfully shifted. This actually moved to the east and northeast. So once again, the south, actually some areas that do need the rain. Parts of West Texas and New Mexico that actually do need rain are actually going to be out of the pattern. So looks like this pattern is actually going to set up where some areas are actually going to get too much rain, and some areas are not going to get any rain that's going to need some, which I said, Texas, Oklahoma, and New Mexico, which obviously you heard a lot about in the news about the wildfires, but there's going to be an exhibiting problem because a lot of areas need rain. Look at the rainfall forecast to the right of the screen. You can see barely any rain for Texas, New Mexico, or Oklahoma, just the rain for parts of the Pacific Northwest and to parts of the Midwest, and then this will once again transition to the Northeast, so some parts of the Northeast actually could get some heavy rainfall. One more map I wanted to show you is the tropics. You're probably asking, why am I going to here right now? The tropics are very quiet right now. One thing I want to pinpoint out to you right now, the GFS, the Euro, the NAM, and the RUC model, and the WRF model have begun to indicate on potentially some possible development over areas southwest of Jamaica. Right around this area, and there's possibly another area around this area. So one of these areas possibly could have developed into the next few days. Now, I don't want to get anybody scared right now, but a pattern may shift where this, if anything that develops, could possibly move off to the northwest. But then after that, looks like probably a trough will develop down here. Looks like a trough will probably coming out of Florida, and this will probably turn whatever develops off to the farther off to the northeast. So whatever develops, we'll see if it possibly produces some showers and thunderstorms to possibly parts of Florida, Cuba, and the Bahamas. Another note you see right here, some showers and thunderstorms over parts of the Carolinas right now. Beautiful satellite image of some heavy thunderstorms across that area, and also some showers over parts of the Ozarks right now. So that is your update right now. Just a quick update of some things that are beginning to change, the patterns beginning to change as we head into the next few days. Once again, if you ever want to chat to me, come to that weather page I created, or on my regular page right here. You see right here, just come and join it and come chat with me anytime. Have a good weekend, everybody. Have a good Memorial Day.